Okay, I got my rain gear on. It will be raining the whole time I'm out here. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Got out here late this afternoon. I only had a couple hours before dark. Some rain in, of course, but I just couldn't take it anymore. I'm gonna see if I can figure a couple of fish out here in a short period of time. It's not overly cold. It's low 40s, which isn't bad. Really not much wind. I'll try to keep the lens as clean as I can. It's been raining the last several days, and I'm talking just torrential downpours. We've got between 2 and 4 inches the last few days. It just won't stop raining, so I either got to fish in the rain or don't fish. I'm not thrilled with the watercolor, but it's the clearest water anywhere close. He's not a big one, but that's a solid 14-incher maybe. Don't have to be big, I just like catching fish. All right, the worm hasn't produced much for me today. I don't like the color of the water. So I'm going to tie on a jig. Thinking maybe a little bit bigger profile in this dirtier water might do the trick. There we go. So that paid off there. Putting the jig on. And this is a good bass too. It's a nice spot. That's probably 2 pounds right there. Nice fish. All right, we might be on to something. Just a homemade jig here. That's 2 on the day. I'm fighting a losing battle on this lens, but do the best I can. Never trust the weatherman. Hey now. Another 1.5-pounder. So I started off throwing the worm. I caught one fish. I didn't do much else. Once I switched to this jig now, it's 2 in a row. So I'm thinking this little bit bigger profile on the jig helps them find it in this dirtier water. That's my guess anyway. Try to dry this off a little. Oh, just lost him at the boat. Oh well. So what I did was switched over to the worm. I've been catching them on the jig, and they wouldn't commit to the jig. So I put on a worm, and now I'm getting, you know, they're actually taking it. Jumper. Try to keep that as dry as I can. That's another 1.5-pounder, 2-pounder. Uh-oh. I see the seagulls. There we go. Decent, smaller striper. Oh, I got a bird. Get off. Oh no.
Once a year. Those things bite back a lot harder than the striper do though.
Yeah, I don't want to hurt him.
Once you get them in.
My hook's not in him, it's just wrapped in the line.
Yeah, that's usually what happens.
Yeah, this one's a little better. That's why I pour my own. I can put the kind of hooks in I want. It's a lot of work, but another decent one. Yeah, I got a bunch of fish right below me too now. I'm probably sitting right on top of them.
That is what I found using this bucktail, a little bit bigger profile. You normally get bigger fish, but you still have small fish in it too.
I use light. I only use 10-pound casts. The lighter the line, the more bites I get. That's.
I know. That's what I use. Well, I've actually started going to 12-pound now.
Oh, that's fun.
That was good. I might have to throw this swim bait too. lot of the little white one.
It's white. Got a little chartreuse on it. I pour them myself. It's a pain in the butt, really, but it does the job. So.
Hey, that's all it counts.
And this little skinny one. I don't really see any bait either. Oh, right in front of your boat.
They were everywhere, and then the gulls left, and then
Oh, I lost him. Another small striper. Oh, oh, that's fun. Yeah, these are the small ones, but that's still fun. Whoops. Another little striper. Mixed in with these stripers. A little spot. He's going to get eaten if you don't watch it. So anyway, not a bad afternoon. Just a couple hours of fishing. Caught quite a few stripers, quite a few bass. About ready to head back to the boat ramp. I got a long drive. Oh, I just missed one. These fish are about done, I believe. They were all over the surface chasing bait. Fun way to catch them. Okay, thanks for joining me. I had a pretty good afternoon. I only had a couple hours to fish. I'm starting to lose my daylight, but I caught several stripers in the 5 to 8 pound range maybe, and quite a few spots. So not bad for a couple hours. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, come back and fish with me next time.